Again. Oh. Let's see. What's this one?
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for County of East Central Wisconsin, northwestern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Mayville, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. A tornado was reported near Mayville. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mayville, Kewaskum, Lomira, Campbellsport, Theresa, Ashford, Byron, Eden, Brownsville, Wayne, Kikoski, Dundee, Waukesha, Knowles, and Newfane. Other landmarks included are the following location: Horicon Marsh. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Damn. Oh! Double header? Severe thunderstorm warning? Double header, bro! Holy shit! Let's see this shit, bro. Oh my god.
The Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin.
Again, Mom!
7 p.m.
Another one!
2 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near East Troy, moving north at 35 miles an hour.
Oh!
Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukesha, New Berlin, Menominee Falls, Pewaukee, Sussex, Elkhorn, Heartland, Mukwonago, Delafield, East Troy, Wales, Okauchee Lake, Lisbon, Vernon, Ottawa, Merton, Dowson, North Prairie, Big Bend, and Lannon. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.
Okay.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC